Technology is everywhere. From the moment we wake up and check our phones to the time we finish work on our laptops, technology is an essential part of our daily lives. But have you ever thought about the people behind the technology you use? The ones who make sure everything runs smoothly, fix issues when things go wrong, and keep systems secure? These are IT workers, the silent heroes of the digital world. And then there are IT users, people like office employees, students, business owners, who rely on technology but don't always understand how it works. My name is Ravo, and in this video, we're diving deep into the relationship between IT workers and IT users, two groups that need each other but don't always see eye to eye. We'll explore the common challenges they face, why misunderstandings happen, and how we can bridge the gap between them for a smoother, more productive workplace. So whether you're an IT professional or just someone who relies on technology every day, stay tuned, because this video might just change the way you see IT support forever. To understand the relationship between IT workers and IT users, let's first define their roles. Who are IT workers? IT professionals include software developers, network engineers, IT support staff, cybersecurity experts, and system administrators. Their job? Keeping technology running, securing data, and solving problems that most people don't even realize exist. Think of them like mechanics for the digital world. When everything is running smoothly, no one notices them. But the moment something goes wrong, they're the first people we call. And who are IT users? IT users are basically, well, everyone. Office workers, students, business owners, anyone who interacts with technology to complete tasks. Users expect technology to just work. They don't care about server maintenance, network security, or software compatibility issues. They just want things to run smoothly so they can do their jobs. Now here's the problem. IT workers and IT users have different expectations and different ways of communicating. And when those expectations don't match, frustration builds on both sides. This leads us to our next topic. The most common challenges IT workers and IT users face. The common challenges that IT workers and IT users face are 1. Communication barriers. Raise your hand if you've ever asked IT support for help and received an answer that sounded like a foreign language. Your network is experiencing high latency due to a misconfigured DNS resolver. What? On the flip side, IT workers struggle too. Imagine getting a support ticket that just says, "My computer's broken." That's like telling a doctor, "I don't feel good," without describing any symptoms. Communication is a two-way street. IT workers can make things easier by explaining issues in simple, everyday language. And users, they can help by providing more details when reporting issues, like taking screenshots or describing what they were doing before the problem happened. 2. Unrealistic expectations. Now let's talk about expectations. Many users assume that IT can fix anything instantly. My laptop won't turn on. Can you fix it in 5 minutes? Well, probably not. Technology issues aren't always simple. Some require testing, troubleshooting, and even waiting for replacement parts. IT professionals need time to find the root cause of the problem, not just put a quick Band-Aid solution on it. Think of it this way. If you bring your car to a mechanic and say, "It's making a weird noise," do you expect them to fix it immediately without even looking under the hood? No. The same applies to IT troubleshooting. Patience goes a long way in making this relationship smoother. 3. Prioritization and frustration. Another major issue? Priorities. Picture this. You're in an office, and your printer isn't working. You submit a request to IT. But at the same time, the company's entire network goes down. Which issue do you think IT is going to fix first? IT professionals often deal with multiple urgent tasks at once: server crashes, security threats, and major system failures. This means small issues, like a single user's slow computer, might not get immediate attention. Does that mean your problem doesn't matter? Of course not. But IT teams have to prioritize the biggest issues first. A little empathy from both sides can go a long way. Users should understand that some fixes take time, and IT workers should update users about their requests so they don't feel ignored. Building stronger relationships. 1. Better communication. The first step in improving IT worker and IT user relationships is clear communication. IT professionals can practice active listening and break things down into simple, non-technical explanations. If a user is confused about why their email isn't working, instead of saying, "Your DNS records aren't resolving properly," IT can say, "There's an issue with the settings that connect your email to the internet. We're fixing it now." Meanwhile, users can describe problems clearly instead of just saying, "It's broken." A little more detail, like explaining what they were doing before the issue occurred or providing error messages, can save hours of troubleshooting. Another tip, follow-ups. IT teams should provide status updates to users so they don't feel ignored. A simple, "We're still working on it, but we'll keep you posted," can make a huge difference in user satisfaction. Second, training and knowledge sharing. Companies can help bridge the gap by offering basic IT training for employees. It doesn't have to be complicated, just a simple workshop on recognizing phishing emails, clearing cache and cookies, or troubleshooting a slow internet connection. A little knowledge can prevent a lot of unnecessary IT tickets. Similarly, IT teams can host informal Ask It Anything sessions. This can be a monthly event where employees get to ask about technology challenges they face, without the pressure of a formal help desk ticket. It builds trust, strengthens relationships, and helps IT teams understand user frustrations better. Another great idea, IT teams can create simple self-help guides, short videos, or easy-to-read documents explaining common fixes. For example, instead of answering the same printer setup question 50 times, users can follow a step-by-step guide. 3. Mutual respect and teamwork. At the end of the day, IT workers and IT users are not enemies. They're on the same team. IT professionals should remember that not everyone understands technology like they do. Just like a doctor wouldn't expect patients to diagnose their own illness, IT shouldn't expect users to know all the technical details. A little patience and a friendly attitude go a long way. On the other hand, users should respect IT's time and expertise. It's easy to assume that IT is just sitting around, but the reality is they're managing security threats, keeping systems up to date, and handling multiple requests at once. A simple thank you to IT staff can make a big difference. Think about it. When was the last time you thanked IT for keeping your Wi-Fi running smoothly? Probably never, right? But the moment something goes down, IT hears about it immediately. Recognizing their work fosters better teamwork in a healthier work environment for everyone. One of the most effective ways to improve the IT user relationship is to create a culture of collaboration within organizations. Imagine if IT teams weren't seen as just the help desk, but as trusted advisors in technology. When companies involve IT in strategic planning, whether it's implementing new software or improving workflow automation, everyone benefits. Users should also be encouraged to embrace technology instead of fearing it. Many people feel frustrated with IT simply because they feel technology is too complicated. But with the right guidance, anyone can become more tech-savvy. This is why fostering open discussions between IT teams and end users is so important. It creates an atmosphere of trust where users feel comfortable asking for help and IT professionals feel valued for their expertise. So what's the key takeaway? IT workers and IT users need each other, and by improving communication, setting realistic expectations, and fostering collaboration, we can create a better, more efficient workplace. Next time you have an IT issue, remember, it's not IT versus users, it's technology and teamwork working together. And for IT professionals, remember that patience and clear communication can make your job easier. Users aren't trying to be difficult, they just need help understanding technology. A little kindness can turn a frustrating encounter into a positive experience. For IT users, respect your IT team. Understand that fixing issues takes time and that IT professionals have a lot on their plate. A little appreciation can go a long way in making IT feel like a valued part of the company. At the end of the day, we're all working toward the same goal, making technology work for us, not against us. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT insights. See you next time.